Chris. My anniversary I come up next week, you know. I look on my foot. We can't even lift it up. My nails them want do. My foot want wash. What we had up for my anniversary?
One place, me about one place, right here?
Kurt. 93 and 3/4 Mullines Road. Asa? 9 and 3/4 Mullines Road. Then near Tankwell. Yeah. So we are gonna get hand shawl, we are gonna get foot shawl. Let me see you. That your hand they want wash, and then because you wear the big old boot them a bill and a trill and a whatever. So guys, if you want the nails done, the hand shawl and the foot shawl, 93 and 1/4 Mullines Road, near to Tankwell. Guess what? She do house call and you should do in-office call. You can treat us too, you know, because it is our anniversary. Mother's Day is coming up next month, so you can take your mother. Yeah, you can send your mother go give her a treat to Chris. Yeah, man. You can send your mother go give her a treat. Yes, it is right next to Tankwell, Mullines Road. You can't miss it.